Hi there. I looked online and saw a couple of people suggesting that to get paint off of things like brass doorknobs, you can boil it for half an hour and then the paint will come away. Well, what I've been doing around my house is using my speed heater, which has dramatically reduced the time it's taken to strip these panels off. But what I want to show is how effective it is in getting paint off of a metal door fixture. So let's see how we go. Typically, you would wait around up to 35 seconds just to see how it's going. Make sure that the paint's heated but not overheated. It'll start to bubble and smoke if you leave it too long. And right now, the paint around the door fixture is bubbling away. So let's have a quick scrape. Okay, points to the speed heater again for being amazing at stripping paint. Okay, but also I'm getting a lot of gunk off of the door handle here. Now I don't want to do too much on this door because it's going to come off to get worked on and rehung and stained and made beautiful as it ever could be. Okay, this is work, a treat. I know that my gloved hand is in the way. But I think I've proved my point. You can take your door fixture off, boil it in a pot for as long as need be. I'm sure that will work. Or give yourself a 30-second blast with a speed heater. This little baby has just revolutionized how this house is coming along. Now I'm not going to try and get all the detail out of that, but I will show you close up. That's what happened after like 30 seconds. I got most of the paint off. It came quite easily. And over here, which one is easiest? There's one. This is what that black handle will look like in the near future, and a little bit shinier too. Okay, well that's my plug for the speed heater and removing paint off of metal door fixtures. Done.